Hello guys, welcome to my channel IT Drop, and today we are going to have a quick introduction on Prometheus. As we know, we are slowly moving away from monolith architecture and shifting towards microservice architecture. If you are aware with microservices, you know we have multiple services for an application and it's a little tough when it's come to monitor bunch of services. And if you are aiming towards the reliability of your application, then it's important to monitor your services and make sure that they are available. And if not, then you should get notified about it. So today we are going to have a quick look on a tool that can help you to monitor the services, and if case of any failure, you can also get alerted by the tool itself. So the name of the tool is Prometheus. If you are working as Devops or site reliability engineer, then maybe you are already familiar with it. This is the logo of the Prometheus. Prometheus is an open source monitoring and alerting toolkit originally built in SoundCloud. Since it introduced in 2012, many companies and organizations have adopted Prometheus, and the project has a very active developer and user community. So if you know about the Cloud Native Computing Foundation, CNCF, the Cloud Native Computing Foundation hosts critical components of the global technology infrastructure. CNCF brings together the world's top developer and users and vendors and run the largest open source developer conference. Prometheus joined the Cloud Native Computing Foundation in 2016 as the second hosted project after Kubernetes. So you can visit CNCF official website and see more projects that they are supporting. Prometheus value reliability. You can always view what statistics are available about your system even under failure condition. Each Prometheus server is standalone, not depending on network storage or other remote services. You can rely on it when other parts of your infrastructure are broken, and you do not need to set up extensive infrastructure to use it. Now let's see some features given by the Prometheus. These are some of the features given by the Prometheus. Now let's look on some of the component of Prometheus. Most Prometheus components are written in Go, making them easy to build and deploy as static binaries. Now let's have a look on Prometheus architecture. This diagram illustrates the architecture of Prometheus and some of the ecosystem components. So Prometheus grab matrices from instrumented job either directly or via any intermediary push gateways for short-lived jobs. It stores all the scrapped sample locally and run rules over the data to either aggregate and record new time series from existing data or generate alerts. You can also use Grafana and other API consumers to visualize the collected data. Now let's go live and see Prometheus in action. This is the area where we run PQL queries. So let's run one query. So you can see that after executing it, we have two views. One is console view where you can see key value pair, and other is graphical view. So you can explore all the options here and see how the things are set up here. So this is the quick walkthrough of Prometheus, and if you want to know how to set up Prometheus, you can watch my another video. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.